Hello, friends! Today, we're going under the sea to discover 20 amazing sea creatures. Let's dive in together. This is a clownfish. It's bright orange with white stripes and loves coral reefs. This is a sea turtle. It has a hard shell and swims gracefully through the ocean. Here's an octopus. It has 8 arms and can squirt ink to hide. This is a dolphin. Dolphins are smart and love to play in groups. This is a shark. Sharks are strong hunters with many sharp teeth. This is a starfish. It has 5 arms and can grow them back if lost. This is a jellyfish. It has soft, wobbly tentacles and floats with the waves. Here's a crab. Crabs walk sideways and use their claws to pinch and eat. This is a seahorse. The daddy seahorse carries the babies. This is a whale. It's the largest animal in the world. Here's a lobster. It has big claws and hides under rocks. This is a squid. It has long arms and squirts ink like the octopus.
This is a stingray. Its body is flat, and it can hide in the sand.
Here's a seal. Seals can clap their flippers and love to swim. This is a walrus. It has big tusks and whiskers. These are penguins. They can't fly, but they swim super fast. This is a moray eel. It looks like a snake and hides in caves. Here's a swordfish. Its long nose is called a sword, and it swims really fast. This is a manatee. People call it the sea cow because it's so calm and gentle. This is coral. It looks like a plant, but it's actually made of tiny living animals. Wow! We learned about 20 amazing sea creatures today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.